Are you sticking out your tongue? Read your book. Let me see. Read your book. Sit down. I can't see you. Sit down. Okay. Here, Nathan, take a video of her. She's reading her book. Okay, read your book. You read it. No, you read it. You read it. Here, read it. No, you read it. Okay, go. Read it. Amen. Amen. Thank you. You gonna go get Papa Kissy? Tell him good night. Good night. My Papa? No, it's my Papa. It's my Papa. I'm gonna go get Papa Kissy. Move. Let me go get Papa Kissy. I can get Papa Kissy. What did I say?
Get Kissy!
Get Papa Kissy. My Papa. That's my Papa. That's my Papa.
My papa.
No, it's my Papa.
My papa.
It's my book. Your boogers. My book.
My book.
My book.